With that coming in hot in 15 minutes. And we got Apple and Amazon earnings tonight. Oh, yeah. That should be real good for us. That should be real good for us. Hopefully get some nice moves going into NFP Friday. Get some nice moves going into NFP Friday. Some good moves going into NFP Friday. Good morning, everybody. What's up, TikTok? What's up, YouTube? Good morning, Jonathan and Fiddy, Michael. Yes, sir. Samuel. What's up, Kelvin, Sabino, Tommy? Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning, my familia. How's everybody doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. It is... What rhymes with Thursday? Well, it's Dumpster Thursday. That's what it is. It's Dumpster Thursday. That's exactly what it is. Shout out our man Dumpster. On Thursdays, we do it for Dumpster. We do it for our bro. Of course he is. He's always talking about me. I'd talk about me too. Bro saw a fake profile with me and thought that said 84 million in profits and thought it was real. That tells you all you need to know, bro. 84 million. That is wild. If I made 84 million, I promise you I'd be far, far away from the charts. Not there yet. Maybe in the next few years. Maybe in the next few years. There's this fake profile that someone posted on X. And they're like, yeah, look, Jdun says he made 84 million. I'm like, yeah, that's totally real. Because I've said so many times that I've made $80 million trading. You know what? All press is good press. Lots of free publicity. If it brings y'all here to learn, level up, and make some money with me, that's a win to me. There's lots of fake news because I'm doing something right. It's always his aggressive moves off the open these days. Just constantly. These aggressive moves off the open. What's that? I like that 660 area too. We might get there sooner than we thought. Do we dare try it? Do we dare try it on the kill candle? I'm trying this extremely light size, guys. I'm trying this extremely light size of longs. Extremely light, guys. This is not my normal trade. I mean, it might actually just get destroyed. I'm going to keep about 25 points on it. There we go. There we go. We're at 1-1 almost. Come on. Push it up. Rapido, rapido. I had to try it down there. Around in those 650s. I had to try it. I just had to, guys. It was my main level. We've already gotten, depending on your fill, 20-point move here. Taking a few off here just to be safe. A few micros off here in the 80s. Let's go, baby. Come on. I'm keeping my stops at break even, guys. Stops at break even. Took a few off. 80. Let the rest ride. Stops at break even now. Let's see if we can get this push back above 700. Oh, sweet baby Sally. Come on, give us this push above 700. Come on, come on, come on. We got 684, 65, 65, 65. Going once, going twice, going once. 679, 679. I got pilled at 61. I tried to buy it like 57. Stops are at 61 for me, guys. Well, actually, they're technically at 60. I need to move them. We'll just keep them at 60. That's all right. 1 point. I don't mind. Come on. That was sniper entry. I'll tell you what. I don't like to catch falling knives. But when I do, that was sweet. Come on. Push it. Okay, that's good. We have a wick. We have a wick up. That's not good. We're going back down. No! It got my stop, guys. I still think we could see more room up, but it got my stop there. Opening trade. Opening trade. 5-minute workday. Opening trade. 5-minute workday. I still think we can move up. If we can hold, if we don't flush this low. If we don't flush this low, I still think we can move up. I really, truly think that. Don't, come on, let's see. Let me get these. You do all right on that, Grizzly Glock? $3K in the week is not bad. It's not bad, bro. It's not bad. Don't. This orb is going to be nuts. Hey, you would have cashed out if they did, though. You would have cashed out. We'll take that. The opening drive. Quick 20 points off the open. A little 5-minute workday action. You like the auction? Should we start doing the auction? I really wish we would have gotten the nuclear move back into 700. That would have been legit. Glad to see some of y'all made some much money. I'll watch that too with you, Grizzly. I'm a little, with those tech earnings, I'm a little cautious. Yeah, I was a little cautious on the rule breaker too. I almost never trade the first 15 minutes. So when we do, we'll take it lighter scalps. Take lighter scalps. Appreciate y'all being here, YouTube and TikTok. As a reminder, make sure y'all tap in, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate y'all being here live with me. Caught one winning trade so far, 20 points. Nothing crazy, but we'll take it. And if you guys want prop firm discounts, you can always use code Jdun for the best possible discount. Apex is 50% off. FFF is 60% off. And Tradeify is 35% off. I will always do my best to help you guys pass your evals and challenges. Always. Yeah, we do have PMI. Appreciate y'all joining me every single day live on YouTube. Live on TikTok. I'm also live in Team Bull. It's my only bounce area, bro, was that level. We hit it. Had to try it for the first, even though it was in the first 5 minutes. We have the fair value gap. The middle of the fair value gap is at around 709. Don't. I put the free Discord as well in the YouTube pin post. We're gonna have Free Friday tomorrow. If you're on the TikTok as well, I'm live on YouTube as well. Make sure y'all tap in this full screen share. If you come in every day, you know how we rock. Devin, I have a really dumb question. I need help. I'm new to trading on Top Step X. I tried to close my trade on the chart, ended up removing the option to drag my... I don't use Top Step X, bro, so honestly, I wouldn't know. I'm sorry. I wouldn't know. I would not know. You had my heart. Don't. I don't have any more balance areas, bro. I'm just following the trend at this point, looking for trend entries.
SPX has 6,400.
Tesla's holding steady, and Meta's holding strong too. Nvidia with a little sell, but where's all that selling coming from? Google? Google with a little drop. Apple? Apple? No, not really. None of the big tech's really selling. Justin, I'm far from a random live trader. You clearly are not here every day, but welcome. You're going to learn. Is Amazon selling? Amazon did sell a grip off the open. Sold from 236 down to 232, so sold a bit there. Let's mark London high and low. Pre-market high and low. I'm assuming this is going to be our 15-minute high. Interesting. Pre-market low and 15-minute low are the same level.
Here, just look at the price action.
So it looks like something's burning. You smell it, Gene?
No.
The fuck is that? It's my trades. Come over here so you can smell that. Something. I don't know. What's I smelling here?
What the heck?
Do you smell that?
Is your PC okay?
I think so. Well, my PC don't. I'm catching these fire trades.
Hold on, let me check something. What's your PC? Dude, I think it might be the monitor.
Hot? It's not hot.
Camera.
It's not too hot either.
That's normal.
Something's burning.
You're on fire.
Something is literally burning in my office, guys. I'm not sure what it is. I'm a little concerned.
No, that's
It's not the phone.
keyboard.
Smelling all my objects. That's odd, huh?
Kind of smells like your bed. Is
Maybe she turned the heat on. Maybe she turned the heat on.
I think she did.
That's what it is.
Feels like it.
I was like, what the heck is on fire?
Good, because I'm cold.
You guys are weenies. Yeah, I was like, what is that, bro? Literally thought my shit was about to set on fire.
Jacob got scared. He's gonna increase the fire out. Not gonna lie, that scared me too, bro.
Trading assistant says it's high risk. On both sides if you trade.
Don't. Apex is not 90% off right now. It's only 50% off right now. The computers are burning up. Yeah, I should use some of that 84 million to get them right. Huh. There's a screenshot of some fake Jdun account with 84 million in profits in the bio, and that the few people on Twitter posted it, and I was like, if you guys believe that shit's real, you're literally an idiot. Like, yeah, 84 million. That's definitely a real LinkedIn account with a picture I've never had as my profile picture. 84 million in profits. I mean, honestly, if people will believe that, maybe I should just start saying that. Because I guess it's believable. By how well I trade on live, I guess it could be believable. 84 million. Yeah. Yep. Totally real. Totally. Wild. It is not 90%, dude. It's literally not. Go try any code. Promise. One winning trade so far. Yeah, there's a fake me with 84 million in profits on its bio. And people believe it's real. Like, yeah, Jdun saying he made 84 million. Totally. That's exactly right. But if people will believe it, maybe I'll just start saying that. I'm totally playing with you guys. I appreciate you. I got 300K accounts on Apex with your code on Friday. Appreciate you, bro. How y'all doing this morning, YouTube? I'm trying to find y'all another banger. Got a nice reversal candle in the 5-minute. We'll see what we get. We got our 5-minute low, our orb high and low marked out. What do you say? Set up for reversal. I can see it. We have a high volume reversal candle. I think it's definitely a higher risk, but maybe on a pullback down. 611 to 630. I can see it.
What happened to that fair value gap? I'm going to try some shorts around if we push up to like 50%.
It's around that 680 to 700, huh?
Yeah. 680. Well, I want my average to be around 700 as well.
Yeah. Well, even at high of that candle 750. I don't love that. I don't love that a ton.
Keep my stops big close above. Well, pre-market high when you bought it was at 13742, so you still got quite a bit of risk even at that 710 to 700 area.
Yeah, I don't love that. I like the reversal down here. I want to see us dip a little lower. That low at 610. I like the high volume. You can see the high volume doji reversal candle here in the 5-minute. Looks pretty good.
Control now. Let's see what happens.
One winning trade today. Let's try to find a nice, solid systemized winning trade. Hey, nice job, C Price. 2 for 2 today. Team Bull, I'm calling it a day here, trying to make him better with discipline and have better loss with it. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, C Price. That's Team Bull. I'm not sure if Tradeify is discounted or not. You have to check the website. They had lowered baseline prices, so there was bigger discounts, but not sure if it already ended or not. Here and the feel. Hey, Greg, what you watching, bro? I haven't heard you speak much. Good morning, Dirk. Good morning, everyone on YouTube. Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that subscribe button, being here every morning. I do my best to help y'all pass your challenges, get fun, and get paid. As a reminder, if you want to join the free Discord for Free Friday tomorrow, it's in the pinned comment. First week using the strategy, and it's been showing gains. That's amazing, bro. Let's go.
Back into the fair value gap here.
You can pass your Apex in one session. Yep. Make sure you use code Jdun at checkout. You'll get the best possible discount and payout protection. If anything ever happens with your payout, I can personally reach out to management and help you. And at least get it expedited. If you don't follow a rule, then I can't do much about that. But I can always, it's best to use an influencer's code, one that you trust. Jay, qualified my Apex in 2 days. Let's go. Nice. That's great. Now let's get you paid out. And that high volume reversal is paying out so far. We're at that 50% retracement inside that fair value, that high volume fair value gap. So we'll see. I'm not super keen to short just quite yet.
I feel like when we do get the reversal, in the next candle down, it's just going to make a new low day. One candle like this.
We're at that midline area. Not. Yeah. The 50%. Oh, the 50% from the low to the high of market open to our low of day. We're in between that fair value gap too on the 5-minute. See how we react in this area. Let's get focused in. How do you learn about the orb strategy? I have a ton of videos on my YouTube. You're on it right now. Just hit that subscribe button. Go binge watch my pinned video and the last few I've posted. I have a lot of really, really good education on here for you guys. Really good education. On my streams, I'm not going crazy with all the graphics, but I do find you guys winners almost every day. And that much the chat can contest to. We trade here. We trade systematic, simple, and focused. Yep. Appreciate y'all coming and joining me every single day. For y'all that want to learn how to trade, make it a side income, make it a full-time income. This is the place to learn. Appreciate you, Stefan. Welcome to the channel, bro. What do you think, Grizzly? You gonna try it? What do you think, Grizzly Glock? You gonna try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Shorts?
You want shorts? Usually. A little higher up, so I won't have a safer entry. I'm gonna give it. Safer entry would be at that like 710, 709 price focus.
Dude, I caught a nasty trade during power hour yesterday, bro.
That's what I heard, man.
60 points.
There we go. Push down. Push down. Keep going. There we go.
There we go. Hopefully you can get more push down to the 6s or the 50s now. It's a good reversal candle up there.
Keep going.
And honestly, you can see now you had exactly the right idea regardless, whether it goes down or goes back up. This is textbook what you want to see at a key level of reversal. Textbook. What's the high of this candle? 705.
Oh. Close down my trade. Close down my trade. I had that ATM set the wrong one. They had my stop to on trade back. It was my scalper one. I have one named Grizzly and one named Grizz. I had the wrong one. The ATM for managing your stop loss and take profit, and it's too tight. I didn't know. Still like shorts there though.
Trying a baby piece of shorts again, guys. 75. I'd like to see 80 to 85. Tried a little piece. Max risk is 30 points. Safer area is 80 to 85. If we break above this candle high, it's wrong. But in case this is the lower high and we keep moving down, willing to give back some of this morning's gains. Have a bit smaller day. Let's try a little piece. This is the better area, 80 to 85. I look at it in terms of probabilities. You have a higher volume reversal candle at a key level inside this aggressive impulse candle. So worst case, it goes above this 05 and gets stopped. Best case is this ends up being the lower high and we move down. This is the better area in here. Then you only have 15, 20 points of risk above 05. And this is the better area up here. Just from a trend perspective, you're following the trend. This is where it makes sense. You very well could pop above this candle high, but with this rejection of these two areas, it's worth the risk to me. I'd be bummed if we had a lower high here and kept moving down and I didn't try it. I have a hard stop at 05. I have a hard stop at 05. That's my worst case. So worst case, I lose, well, since I have that second ad there, I lose about 25 points. There we go. Yep, that was better. Trimming a little at 70 just to be safe from that second ad. There we go. Let's keep it pushing down. Trimmed a little down here just from that second ad. Or from my average, because I got that second ad. I'd like to see 60 and below. Come on. Push it down. What up? What? I'm going to set my hard stops at my average here. 80.5. So we'll set hard stops at 81. So you know what we're going to do. I take that back. I'm going to set my hard stops here at, that'd be 10 points. I got 10. I'm going to set my hard stops here at 91 because that would make it basically a break-even trade. I'd give back my first trim. So I take that back. I set my stops here at 91. Just moved them up. So I'll end up being a break even. Give back a few points from my first trade. I get stopped out, but basically break even. Got my stop there at 91. It's all right. Got that first trim off and then ended up getting stopped out there. We might end up reversing, but I don't trust how strong we've been. That's why I wanted to get that continuation down, have my stop above this wick. I just don't want to see it come and move aggressively above here, and then it gets out of hand. So I love the candle setup. Just don't love how aggressively strong, we've been. If we get a failure again, we can look for re-entry, at least how I play it, playing it a little safer.
How'd you do on that trade?
Break even. She gave back, what is it? 70 some change, some dollars on my first trade. So break even.
Hopefully you stay all week.
That second ad really helped. This chart looks decent. If we get a failure again, I'm open to look for re-entry, but I just don't trust these aggressive moves up and down. And with how strong we've been with those strong tech earnings, it's hard to, I gotta have a lot of confirmation to short and really hold the shorts. I said it multiple times.
I think he was asking looking at your position.
Oh, yeah.
This position too often, do you? Occasionally?
If I ever have a starter like I did today and I see that better area, 80, 85, 90, almost always adding if I have that previous wick high to use as a hard stop.
I still like the downside here.
I do too. It looks better. I'm just being safe with my capital. How's gold doing this morning? I haven't really looked at gold. Said I was going to start looking at it more. It actually trades halfway decent. No position for me right now, guys. Hope the boys rip.
Day trading is for chumps, so I'm going to go on a random TikTok live and tell people that I think day trading's for chumps.
What's everyone saying for long interest? I don't see.
My name's Jake, and I have a cat for a profile picture, and I think day trading's for chumps.
I mean, 95% of people are going to fail at day trading. But guess what? 80, 90% of people, 95% of people will never hit their financial goals. They won't make, the multiple six figures a year from their college career. I'm just saying, 80% of businesses fail. A lot of people will fail day trading, totally.
Gonna sell a course on it? I'm gonna get him with that one, bro.
Bro, just stop. You're embarrassing yourself, bro. Please. This is, and also I run some online businesses.
Re-enter with Jdun made a little more money. Put me at 2K for the day.
Hopefully your guys' shorts print. Yes, online businesses. Everything team bull oriented. My real estate company isn't necessarily online, but I fund house flips with hard money lending. I've met some of my clients online. Oh my gosh. Nice job, guys. Nice job, guys.
You need some more? The closest broken. No, for free trade.
Of course, the real estate.
We're gonna make him watch, but you can get muted for 5 minutes, so you can watch greatness unveil with my day trading abilities. As a reminder, too, guys, if you want to follow my personal IG page, I post a lot of business, discipline, and online building value. You can say, go follow me at Jdun on IG. You can message me with any discipline questions, how to build your online business, how to build a following, a personal brand. That's my passion. I trade for the first few hours a day, and then I have the rest of the day to do what I want. So, at Jdun, Jdun on IG. Make sure all y'all are following. I know a lot of you guys want side hustles. AI is coming. I know one thing AI can't replace is having a personal brand. Having a good online business that isn't reliant on automation. Humans for the win, baby. Just past Apex on that short. That's what's up. What does a day look like for you when you finish trading? Well, I like to go to the gym. I work on content. I hang out with my kid and my family. And I do what I want because I'm semi-retired. Yeah, super intelligence is scary. I know a lot about AI. We'll talk about that a little later when market slows down. I don't think AI is going to hurt trading for a while. I think it's going to be a while before anything like that happens. Super intelligence when it comes is going to be interesting. Let's say that. Could be a very good thing, likely will be a bad thing. If I had to be very honest with you guys. I love hanging out with my kid, my family. Ended up being a really nice trade for you guys. Love to see it.
Okay, first closing broken. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. So let's find another one. Let's find another one.
Don't. Happy I made some money today. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, make sure if y'all are on TikTok, you hit that follow button. I trade live every single day here, Monday through Friday. Give my exact entries, management, and education for you guys to learn, understand, and hopefully become consistent, profitable traders yourself. If you're on YouTube, as a reminder too, make sure y'all tap in, hit that subscribe. Apex is 50% off right now. You can use code JDUN. FFF is 60% off. And Tradeify is 35% off. Use code JDUN for the best possible discounts for discipline over dopamine and for payout protection. I will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges and stay disciplined and patient in your trading.
What a week, man. We needed this week. It's really confident.
Yup. Yup. Those confidence builders are huge, bro.
trades one of 4,900 in a week. It's amazing.
The patience he teaches unmatched. Choose discipline over dopamine this morning. I'm up 2K. Best place to be and learn. If you're new, stick around and see for yourself. Appreciate you, bro. Great job making 2K, man. Made more than me today. And that makes me happy. I love seeing y'all. I hope each and every one of you guys makes more than me. I've been doing this a long time. If I can make my 1,000, 2,000 a day and consistently keep my losses small, that's a win. Just like my sign says back there. I got a sign. Which one? There we go. You can see it. It says $200 a day is $50K a year. 400 a day is $100K a year. 1K a day is $250K a year. And 4K a day is $1 million a year. Consistency is the key. And that's what really matters to me, guys, is I stay consistent. Too many of y'all are trying to hit home runs. In what other industry can you work a few hours a day and make 5, 10K a week? That's freedom. Ignore the noise. Gene, I have your coffee over here, bro. Yeah.
You drinking his coffee?
I just have it sitting over here. It ain't Folgers, though. I'll tell you that much, bro. It ain't Folgers. You're crazy for that.
You got a little Irish creamer in it?
No creamer, just black. Just black coffee for me.
When you used to drink, did you ever try the Irish creamer in your coffee?
I never did.
I have.
Gene has.
Hazelnut's the best.
I like hazelnut too. Tesla's selling off a little bit now. Just going through my individual names. We got Amazon earnings tonight. They're a little recovery, but at the 50%. Google, Apple. Apple's almost back to opening, above their pre-market high too, almost. I highly recommend each and every one of you guys is in the free Discord. That's where the most value is. You get free Friday. So tomorrow you'll get access to all of the channels. The Zoom, which has no lag. The community, you can chat with everyone in there. It's a huge community. We have 74,000 people. It's a lot of fun. It's a good time. So if you want access to the free Discord, you can DM me on IG. On IG at Jdun Trades. That's my trading Instagram. Mention that you're from the live stream and that you'd like access to the free Discord.
Well, you plan on trading today, didn't you?
Probably 2 hours. I'll probably trade for one more hour. I usually stick around till about 11:30 Eastern time.
See another setup here anywhere? Maybe stick around. That's good. I don't see anything.
Not yet. Downside until we break above that 705. Yep, that's my trading. If you guys have questions about business, you want to build your own side hustle, personal brand, or get discipline in your personal life, you can check out my personal IG at Jdun. It's more of my personal life stuff, but there's a lot of value there. Just JDUN. Discipline in your personal life goes a long way with your trading as well. So. You're welcome. Damn, now it's moving down. What do you guys think we get the rest of the day? Do you guys think that we trend back up, or are we going free fall? Free fall. Bro said free fall. There we go. Nice job. The bear in me says down too. I got a song for you, Greg. I got a song that should help your position. Free falling. Yeah, I'm free. I'm free falling. All right, that should do it. That should get you where you want to be. So free falling. Man, I'm so bummed. Me and my grandpa were gonna go see Tom Petty at Red Rocks, and we were like, "Oh, we'll go to the next one," and then he passed away. That should do it for you. Hopefully that gets you down to low a day. If we break below this low, I'll start playing it again until we get down to 608. I got you, bro. I did get stopped out of this trade, but I'm still green in the day. Still green. Keep your day trading job. As a singer, you won't make it. I've been told that. I've been told once or twice that I should probably stick to day trading over singing, but I'm not giving up on my dreams. Not yet. Not yet. Y'all aren't counting me out that early. How you doing today, Big Zo? Still a failure to go higher. This still looks to me bearish until we get some sort of buildup over these levels. There's no bull sign for me. If we build up over these levels, maybe we go test this pre-market high and 15-minute high. Till then, not a lot to work with. Trading day's been good. Up just under $1,000. I was up about 1,000. I gave a little back. Well, I mean, 70 some dollars, break even, but nothing. Made almost $3,000 yesterday. It's been a good week. Let it free fall. Let it free fall, baby. It made its range. It made its range. My lady and I were watching that documentary on the Idaho killer last night. That was crazy. That was crazy. Let it come. Pump it down for him. Come on. No, not about the vampires being free fall. I'm free falling. Free. He's free falling. Oh yeah, it's working. It's working. It's working. Redo. It's working. I'm free. Free falling. All right, that should do it for you. Yep. But Izzy the Kid, I recommend that you start with checking out the free Fridays. Check out the free Fridays, bro. Just DM me on IG at Jdun Trades and mention that you're from the live and you'd like access to the free Discord. Come see for yourself if it's a fit for you, bro. 100% free, no card, nothing. If nothing else, I just love having more people in the community. Been doing this for 5 years. Let's go, Drake. I would never just day trade alone. I'd always have some other forms of income. Just because there's so many ups and downs in it, and it can be really stressful. More. We want more. We want more. More. We want more. I joined Team Bull last week and I made more money than just trading alone. That's amazing. Let's go. Let's go, Ashley. Appreciate you. I'm happy you're winning. Oh, no, it won't. You can play music. It just doesn't monetize. I don't know why. Does this live stream on YouTube give you guys ads? It shouldn't. I was asking Brandon about that. Well, I don't have monetization on, but someone was saying they got an ad when they joined it. There's ads. All right, we gotta fix that. Let me see something here. No, hold on. Channel level settings. There we go. Off. Get those ads out of here. Get those ads out of here. Oh, no, that is not acceptable. No more. You should never get an ad again. I am so sorry, my friends. We don't like those ads, baby, because there could be a trade or something that comes up. Ain't no more ads coming up for y'all. My apologies. I had to go to my settings in the YouTube studio. My apologies. There we go. I just turned off the ad, so it should never come up again. It just wasn't turned off. Got anything else on watch, Grizzly Glock? I think we're going to get another aggressive move. We might just consolidate for a bit first. We may just consolidate. We also fixed the lag on YouTube as well. So there's way less lag now. You should notice like 4 to 6 seconds. Should be much better for you guys. Chat thinks we're going to go down. 180 votes total, 54% being down. Grizzly's still here. Four to 6 seconds is great on YouTube. You can't really get it any better. You can't get it to 0 lag. You literally can't. If I can make 40 a month, I'm happy. Sometimes less, sometimes more. Especially in crypto's been pumping. I've had some massive months between day trading and my Bitcoin. All right, guys, I'll be right back. I'm using the restroom. It's all that damn water and coffee. Be right back.
Hello.
Oh, shit, we're still moving down. Okay. I come back and we're free falling. Looks like I fumbled my bag on my short entry up there, didn't I?
We all did.
Not Greg, though. Greg killed it.
You got shorts again, Greg?
Oh. Ooh, we closed right at that 15-minute low, too. $57. Skill Panda, really taken away from the mastermind, accepting being wrong and addressing it rather than holding for hope. To 3NQ instead of 3MNQ, close for $200 loss in the day. Entered the right size, finishing break even. Nice, that's great. One of the toughest things is when you get in the wrong position or wrong direction, you close it right away. It sucks when it's a little red, but it's better than holding and getting an absolute horrible loss that you weren't supposed to have. No, I didn't. Yep, did my best to get y'all a better stream. If I was looking for shorts, I'd be looking for a pop up here to, well, we already touched it, this 30 with stops above 57. We literally went and touched that to a T, and now we're moving back down. Likely a low a day now. If I had to bet my cards on it. There it is. There's that low day. Not claiming I had some massive signal there. I'm just saying I walked through that as what I thought would happen. If I would have executed, then I'd be real hyped up, but keeping my green for now. What I said I thought would happen though. Go up to 630s with stops below 57 when we went to low a day. Just saying. Just saying. Got to keep the good vibes in here, bro. Good vibes only. As a reminder, past these streams, I would love to hang out with y'all and have y'all gain knowledge from me, gain value from me on social media. Make sure y'all tap in and follow my personal IG at Jdun. If you like what you see here, you're going to love what you see there. JDUN on IG. If you like discipline, if you want to make more money online, if you want to make more money for your personal business. Again, you aren't the #1 trader. Oh, I am on TikTok. You're just going to have to accept that. You wouldn't come in here and tell me that if you didn't know it deep down. You wouldn't feel the need to tell me that. But you did. That's why you're here saying it. Because the algorithm gave it to you. Same with you, Flexi. Yup. 2 of them. There's a reason y'all are watching. All right, then you don't think so, then leave. You know? You're the reason you're here watching. I'm not watching you, baby. You're watching me. And even though you're a hater, I'm still going to help you win. Because that's what we do. That's what we do, baby. I got you, my boys. Top books to read. It depends what you're looking for. Am I considering entering a trade? Not necessarily right now. Yeah, something like that, Dirk. What a character. Appreciate you. And if I always tell people, just come in and judge me by my trading. Just come watch every day. Come watch every day. I did fumble the second trade, though. I ain't going to lie. Ugh. Nice job, Nigel. You killed that, bro. Don't know. About to have a crazy workout today. I'll tell you all that right now. Okay, some chest. Mondays and Thursdays. Chest and some triceps. Yep, some push, basically, in short. Come on, Jdun, give us the workout indicator, please. I want a Lambo, bro. Oh, you want me to leave so y'all get the move? It's like that, huh? It's like that? Okay, I see you. Jdun leaves so we can get the move finally. That's usually how it goes these days, huh?
Again, too short, guys. Too shorts.
Greg in the shorts again.
And 3616.
Greg in the shorts.
Stop loss is at 636.
Bro wants that break below 600. Let him get it, baby. Let him get it.
See, you need to go to the gym, Jdun.
All right, guys. I'm going to the gym. See ya.
We're green, guys. We're green, small green. Anything yet? Break it. Break it. More, baby. More. More. More.
Bro, how that shit dead ass works, bro? I get up out of my desk and it goes to low a day. What do you say? I'm going to the gym. Get out of my desk. And that thing goes down to low a day, bro. I'm about done with this market, dude. I'm about done with this. It's got a grudge against me or something. That is absolutely diabolical, bro. Diabolical. Immediately low of day. As long as I personally say going to the gym and get out of my desk, we get the move. I sit here, watch, it's going to go right back up. Watch.
Oh, man. Why did you come back? Jeez.
I had to. I'm just gonna. I'm actually gonna leave this time. Then you'll get the biggest move down of all time.
It loses at 600. It's going to be aggressive push down.
Yep.
Stop loss is at 636.
Wow. Unreal. Just unreal. Absolutely unreal, guys. I'm sorry for sitting back down. I'll take the blame on that one. Wow.
Stop loss. Haven't touched my stop loss yet. It's back to break even.
That is absolutely absurd, bro. Absurd. This market's got it out for me. Don't. See what we get now. Bounce off that 600. Hanging right around that 15-minute low. And now it's going to go, all right. I'm out to the gym, guys. I'm going to do some push-ups and workouts. See ya. Adios, market. I'm leaving. Goodbye.
It's coming down, baby. It's coming down. Don't come back, Jdun. Okay, guys, 3 minutes done. 3 minutes done. 3 minutes done.
Bro, no way. How? How? Bro, how? Unreal. Are you kidding me? Bro, both times I get up and say I'm leaving, this shit just dumps. I swear I'm cursed, bro. I'm gonna just walk away for good now. Help the good of the community. Both times. Both times. Both times. You gotta be shitting me.
Okay, I managed to trim one. So
Yeah, trim now. So even if I'm back and it goes up, everyone's in the green. Wow. Wow.
okay, guys, runners for mega trade.
That is absolutely absurd. Absurd, bro. Literally, both times, the second I say, all right, I'm out, peace, and I get up and physically walk away, we start moving in the direction everyone wants. But God forbid I'm sitting here. Nope, just chop and stop out and just, wow. Unreal. I cannot believe that. This we got beef now, market. Bro said, you know we love you, bro, but don't you have somewhere to be? I think I do at this point. I planned on streaming for 2 hours, but at this point, I just got to go. Market's trying to tell me something. Yep. We got a great new strategy, guys. We'll have Greg or Grizzly call a trade. Because God forbid I'm in it. I'm sure the exact opposite happens. And then we wait. I leave. And let the market work for us. 84 million. If you believe that's a real account, Sebastian, I don't know what to say, bro. Someone posted this LinkedIn account of me that said 84 million in profits. Like, yeah, that's totally a real account and not one of the 800 million fakes. Yeah, guys, I'm up $84 million in my trading journey, guys. Hit me up, buy my course. Because that definitely is real. The sad part is people believe that, bro. So maybe like I was saying earlier, maybe I should be saying that. If people will believe it, why not? I'm kidding, but it's crazy. 84 million. If I made $84 million, I love you guys, but I'm not sure I'd be on TikTok live trading. Just not sure I would be here right now. Maybe we got to get to 100 million first, and then we won't do any more live trading. 84 is just not enough. Yep, 84 million. Why are you still getting ads? The ads monetization is off. Oh, you have YouTube Premium, you think. Then you just get them regardless? Oh.
The only thing I can see here is QQQ level 570.62. Previously high, so that's why we are bouncing.
That's right.
But if we lose this level,
that makes sense then. That makes sense. I'm seeing a lot of you guys get funded, get paid out. It's great to see. Everyone on the live streams. Jdun, a little help, bro. Please leave for a bit. At this point, I might have to, guys. I turned it off, so you shouldn't get as many ads. Oh yeah, how much? Let's get a roll call, Team Bull. If you guys made some bread with Greg or I, type how much y'all paid yourselves today. How much your trading account pay you today? Let me know in the chat, Team Bull. What we up today, Team Bull? We got 2.23. Fuck. What do we pay ourselves? We got 2.3K, 500, 720, 891, 550, 100, 400, 350 cash, 350, 1100, 300, 444, 950, 58. Red 58. It's all right. Small loss. 2100, 1200, 895. Let's go. 7,000 for real J Quinn. Come on. 72K. Maybe cat, but maybe not. Let's go.
They stop me out and then look. Jesus. Yeah. I'm mad, guys. I'm mad. They stop me out. And look, now the falling is flowing. Jesus.
Now wow. And I'm sitting here for this one. That market was like, all right, well, now that Greg stops out, now we have another reason to go. Now we have another reason to go. We honestly I don't have any bounce areas for that previous day high already is touching right now on SPX at 63.95. The previous day resistance zone is 63.90 on SPX, so that could be something for the S&P. Let's check our higher time frames for maybe 550, but I don't like bouncing aggressive downtrends. I have to see some clear signs of reversal if I'm going to take a long. For example, that first trade we got 20 points off of. That's not a typical trade for me, but we had that very clear level down at that 550 area, so it was worth trying lightly and pushing up.
Oh man, this is not fair. This is not fair.
Damn, what a move.
still on intercepts.
I just got out.
You just got out, Gene?
Yeah, but there's
Oh my gosh.
dude. I literally passed in 150K in one day.
If you don't have IG to message me, you can also go to the YouTube. Jdun Trades. It's in the description. The free Discord is, and it's in the pinned comments.
Okay, guys, let's see if we can get another trade. Let's find another trade, guys.
Made $2,000. I'm done for the day. Nice job, bro. 3 to the 4.
Alright. No more trades for me.
You out of here, Grizzly Glock?
Yeah, made my money.
All right, bro.
Take care. Peace.
See you, dog. I don't trade SMT divergence. I trade VPA. I trade some ICT stuff, you could call it. I mean, I've been using it before I knew it was called ICT. I've never watched an ICT video. Maybe I will sometime just to see what everyone's fascination is. Yeah, make sure y'all join the free Discord for Free Friday tomorrow. We also have Jared Tendler in there every other week. He's the author of The Mental Game of Trading. There's a ton of free benefits that are extremely valuable for you guys as traders. What's up, He's So Sharp? Yes, sir. Nuggets games. Appreciate y'all being in the Discord. Let's go. And do we look for a short on the pop up? Technically fits the orb strategy. Not so much 619 down to 559. 89, 99. Yeah, I mean, it's a little low. I went over 40 points. I am amazed at the accuracy of the trades. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you, Jonathan. What do you mean I'm echoing? No one else has said that, bro. Might be on your setup. You guys like the mic at the office more? Yeah, that one's very crispy. How y'all doing, Team Bull Familia? Oh, good, bro. I'm watching for a pop-up for puts. I have no longs entries right now. None. Not until we get some clear sign of reversal. You never want to just buy a falling knife because it's low. You can always go lower. One thing I'm very clear about my trading is I'm much more cautious buying a falling knife than I am shorting a rocket. Because typically speaking, the speed at which you go up on an uptrend is going to be slower than when you're falling. So I don't recommend either, but I'd rather you guys try to catch a top and have clear stops than try to catch a bottom and just get ignited and just lit up on that way down. Said, I love you, but I need you to pull the go to the gym move again. Do it for the one time. You guys think when you go to the gym? I agree that I like trading the shorts. The shorts do pay faster. I'm with you, bro. Yeah, we can't dilute the magic. Well, I wanted to pop up for this move, but we didn't get just straight down. I know if we would have gotten up to that like 580, 590, would have been worth the while for even 30 some points of risk. Up. I called it up there, but I didn't execute it, so it doesn't really count. I did. I didn't execute well in the trade. That's what I mean. So ideas don't pay. Execution does. I'm happy when my ideas work. I can tell when my system works. But ideas don't pay. Execution does. Hindsight don't pay the bills. Hindsight don't pay the bills. Execution does. You know? Appreciate y'all being here and hitting that follow button on TikTok. Been doing this for 9 years and always avoided trading influencers. Yeah, there's a lot of sketchies. Second, they start telling you you're going to get rich quick, all this sketchy stuff, you got to run. People come into the lives, and I'm very honest. They're like, well, Jdun, aren't you going to be honest? A lot of people fail. And I see 95% of people trading will fail. And another probably 1% to 2% will break even. I'd say 2% to 3%, maybe less, right? Will make it long-term and make a ton of money trading. But at the same time, it's the same statistics with a lot of other things. 80% of businesses fail, maybe more. What percent of realtors all time? Let's go pull this up. Let's ask ChatGPT. What percent of realtors will make over 100K per year? About 13 to 20% of realtors earn more than 100K annually. So 80% will never, right? It's very high. I'm not going to say failure rates. This says 13 to 14%. So I'm just saying it's the same idea for everything. A lot of people are going to fail. A lot of people aren't going to get the results they desire. Yeah, let's talk about that. What's the business statistics?
I think it's like 80% within 5 years.
What percent of businesses will fail within 5 years?
You see it all the time.
Yep.
Is it 80?
Depending, like 65 to 80%. Depends on where you get your data from. What percent of businesses will sustainably make over 100K per year after 5 years? Let's see. About 10%. So small businesses, obviously, anything that's owned by people. We're not talking corporations. We're not talking corporations. We're talking about just everyday owned businesses by people. Everyday owned businesses by people. What? Not talking about corporations. I mean, you can. It's probably, oh, well, you can have an S corp as a business owner. Well, duh. But I'm talking big corporations with boards and big businesses. That's what I'm talking about. We're testing that fair value gap in here in this high volume candle. See if this ends up being the reject spot. We saw Microsoft kill their earnings. The question is, and how's Microsoft holding up today? Let's go check it out. Damn, not well. We sold off a lot of those earnings. That's probably what's been dragging the NASDAQ down. We got a lot of that with the pump up and then straight back down. We also have Apple flat. We have Amazon tonight as well. Down. Previous day resistance area, you can see there. That smacked. That smacked real nicely. And VPA straight up paid up here, man. I'm bummed I fumbled that entry. Had the right idea. The place I'm most active, he's so sharp, is IG. My personal IG is at Jdun, Jdun. My trading one is Jdun Trades. They both have different value. My personal one is more disciplined stuff. If I'm staying, you're going long. Well, I'm staying for another 25 minutes. Team Bull. I think we're going to get some nice action the rest of the day, but I'm only staying for 25 more minutes. I stream for 2 hours and I'm outie. 2 hours and I'm outie. Testing the longs. You need me to go to the gym, bro? Dude, Gene, do you see that Colorado dentist that was making his wife protein shakes with cyanide in them? Yeah, he poisoned her with cyanide, bro. He got convicted. Life in prison. He was making his wife protein shakes and putting cyanide in them. Literally right up the road. Isn't that insane?
Right up the road.
I mean, well, like 30 minutes away?
What city?
It's Aurora.
Tells you everything you need to know.
Tells you everything you need to know. Aurora is super sketchy.
You know, people from Denver hate Aurora.
Oh, yeah. I don't blame him.
Vice versa. I hate Aurora.
You don't vibe with Aurora? Aurora always with the drama. Always.
The only Aurora people I like are the team members if they live there.
Yeah, it's just a little different than 2003. You live in Avon? That's my favorite city in Colorado. Well, one of them. Top 3.
It's in the mountains, right?
It's where Beaver Creek is.
In the mountains?
Yep. That's where one of my favorite hotels is, the Ritz-Carlton there.
Bro's living life.
Avon's awesome, man. Avon and Vail.
I've never been there.
It's right by Vail. It's 15 minutes away ish.
I've never left Denver.
Yeah, never. It's crazy. James Hetfield lives in Vail too.
Dude,
I don't blame him, bro. Vail's awesome. Damn, we got the pop up to 85 in that candle. 85. That would have still been 95.05. 15, about 30 points of risk, that 15-minute high. And got so far. It doesn't even matter. You know who's really been building an AI powerhouse team is Meta and Zuckerberg. And we got Trump. We got positive tariff news, and we're still dumping. That's not good. Trump agreed to extend for a 90-day period deal with Mexico. Still dumping. Yeah, Zuckerberg assembled an AI super team. He basically took the guy that made ChatGPT, Sam Altman's right-hand man, took a big guy from Apple, and then the founder of Scale AI. Yeah, some got a 9-figure signing bonus. 100 million. It was like actually 200 million, I think. Damn, the 85 reject literally worked out beautifully, man. Right outside of Denver. Might need to have some Team Bull traders come to the HQ tomorrow. See you, bro. 83, 44. Was literally, oh my gosh. Was literally getting my MNQ pulled up again to try a small piece of shorts and just didn't. Too late. If you heard me typing, it's literally getting that all pulled up. Still looks like we go lower. Let's see, it's the 1, 2, 3. Dun, dun, dun. If you guys are in Colorado and you want to trade with me tomorrow, you're in Team Bowl, send me a DM on Discord. We got 6 spots in person. If you're in Colorado and you want to join me in person trading tomorrow, send me a DM, Team Bull. We got 6 spots, 6 computers, 6 internet connected computers. People thought that was funny on the internet, Gene. Like they're an all-in-one. That's what I meant. Internet. They're all-in-one computers. There's no separate monitor and computer. They're all in one. They're internet connected.
And they're brand new.
And they're brand new.
They're very expensive.
All right, I know that sounded silly. I'll take that one to the chin. All I'm saying is that they're all-in-ones. If you guys want to trade with me in person, make sure you're in Team Bull. It's for Team Bull members. So, y'all are ridiculous. You can find the Discord link. You can DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. Yep, for the Discord link. That's where, if you guys want access, DM me on Discord if you're in Colorado. I'll shoot you a DM, Jonathan. I'd love to have you, bro. Meet you in person. You're always grinding in these lives. I have no interest in longs whatsoever, guys, for who's ever asked. Only shorts until we see some clear sign of reversal. Only shorts. $550, $515, nothing. Market's great today. Market is great. Lots of opportunity. I just don't want to enter late now. I still only like the shorts. We don't really have any 4-hour demand anywhere either. We don't have, I don't have any sort of bounce areas for a while. I mean, for a while, all the way down like 400 to 350. Not saying we can't bounce, but saying we got a ways until I'd be confident taking anything bouncing. We do need this. This is great for our long-term day trading setups. I'm glad we're not going to be sitting at all-time highs. We'll have some data for both sides, upside and downside, which is great. And we got non-farm payrolls tomorrow. Which, as a reminder, if you guys are trading evals, there's no better day to trade an NFP. No better day to pass evals than NFP. Set bracket orders upside and downside. Didn't hear that from me. Whichever one fills, take profit on the way up or the way down. Just make sure you cancel your order too. Can always use code JDUN for the best possible discount. Apex is great to pass on one-day pass. Tradeify, their growth for one-day pass, and then FFF for the one-day passes as well. Well, you just have to have your orders set a minute before. It's not hedging either. You know, it's not like you're hedging one account against the other. You pass with the move up or down. I think that's better than sitting there and trying to scalp your way in an eval. Just my 2 cents. So tomorrow's the day. If you guys didn't load up when Apex had that huge sale, I mean, we still got 50% off there, 60% off FFF, and 50, well, I think 50% off Tradeify ended. It's 35% off because their baseline's back. But just make sure your evals are 1 day pass. Otherwise, with 2 day pass and the consistency, it doesn't work. Yep, you just set limit orders up and down. So 10 points above, 10 points below, because you'll get a 40, 50, 100 point move off of NFP. So that's how I look at it. And you're not hedging, you're not breaking any rules. It's an eval. I wouldn't recommend doing that on your funded. They're more likely to clap you and say, oh, well, that's gambling. You know? So don't do it on your fundeds, but on your evals, it don't matter. Before market open, yep, tomorrow at 8:29 a.m. So make sure y'all are up and ready. You're going to clap me? What does that even mean? Should I be scared? should I be scared or fearful or disturbed? Bro said he's going to clap me. What does that mean? Not if I clap you first. Is that what we're playing? I don't know what we're talking about, so I'm just going with it. I'm just going with it. Nope. You want to oil me up? All right, now we're getting Diddy in here. What's going on? Can you own pew pews in CO? I own a lot of pew pews.
Yes.
A lot. I'm a big pew pew guy. I just can't really talk about it online because they don't like that. I got a big arsenal. But I'm a responsible pew pew owner. I think everyone should be a responsible owner with classes if they're going to. Some skill, ain't that right, Gene?
Yes, sir.
Jeez, that's where I get with the pew pews. I don't think that anyone should just be able to
And know where it was.
own one, you know? I'm from Nebraska. You know, I grew up real conservative. But you don't want some crazies having them or someone that don't know what they're doing. That's a scary thought. You need to. I'm going to teach him. I'm going to teach him as he gets older. Don't. My favorite PP is my Benelli M4, my shoddy. I love that thing, man. It was like $5,000. The same one that John Wick uses and Navy SEALs use. Oh my gosh, yeah, mine's modded out too, bro. I love that thing.
Oh, my Daniel defense.
What?
Daniel
Or my Daniel Defense AR? That thing is gangster, huh? Super gangster. I just passed a funded. Do they email you? Yes. You typically have to market close when the trading day ends or when Asia opens. Well, I hope I don't have to use them. Why would I want to have to use them? I mean, I'll go pop them for fun at the range, but the hope is I never have to use them. What do you want me out there using them? Now we got a bigger problem. Hope is they never have to be used, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, you know? Host a battle royale in your Discord, then you can use them. What? It's tough to tell if this candle's a bounce. You do have a higher volume reversal candle. That's a good sign on the 5-minute, but such an aggressive downtrend, I would just be very careful. Until you see multiple confirmations. And I like, so for example, the only reason I think this looks decent, I'm by no means going long. Let's just get that out of the way. We're at a whole site number 500. We have a higher volume reversal candle, so we'll see what this next candle does. As of now, the trend is extremely weak. So if we had another stronger candle here and broke downward structure, maybe we get a move back up. But I wouldn't be willing to try that until we see solid confirmation. Personally. Hey, let's go 1,000 on the day. That's what's up. BNT TP9, those are fun. You ever heard of a BNT TP9 gene?
Yeah.
And Keltec's super nice too.
I like the foldable Celtic.
Keltec's nice too. He's so sharp. I have ADHD. Trading would suit me well. Yeah, I mean, ADHD can be a blessing or a curse. I think it can be a blessing in a lot of ways. I got bad ADHD too. I got squirrel brain sometimes. But when I walk in, I become obsessed. Like when I was learning to trade, I was just obsessed. I wasn't doing anything. Now it just kind of comes as second nature. Now I might size back eventually too. If a lot of you that were rocking with me in 2023, in a baller year, I made 850K trading that year. I was ripping 3, 5, 7K days on the reg. It's just a lot more stress. So even at 5, 10 G's a week, that's cool for me, you know? It's not crazy, but it's damn good money. Trading calms my ADHD. Feel that. Have I took a trade? Yeah, I took one and got stopped out break even on one. Low key kind of hurts though. I was going wild. I mean, I've been honestly, the thing is too, is I've been trying to really trade live better and call out my exact entries and manage well. And I'm sure you guys have noticed that. So whenever I'm like, hey guys, I'm in here, this is the stop, it's just a lot more pressure trading live and putting on a ton of size. So if I can trade live well for you guys and make 1,000, 2K, 3K a day, that's a lot less stress than ripping massive positions and being in live and managing my trade live for thousands of people. And then also at the same time, having thousands of dollars in up and down drawdown. It's just a lot. But as you guys have seen in Team Bull, I've been on a really good heater of accuracy, and I'm trying to keep that up for y'all. I like what I do. I like helping people learn. It's a skill that changed my life. Why not help it change others? Man, 63. Team Bulls killer. Appreciate you, bro. No risk, no Lambo. Speaking of Lambo, guys, they're salty at me. I confirmed again. They're like, are you sure you don't want to take delivery of your Revuelto in early August? It's almost here. I said, great. Maybe we just tack off that tariff and we'll think about it. Nope. So I said, nope, I'm good. Dude, I know. It's super late, too. So, yeah, I'm good on that, bro. I'd rather buy more Bitcoin with that extra money. I'm good on all that. I make like 30K a month working 3 hours a day. I want to learn this from you. That's amazing. DM me on IG, Jdun Trades. We'll see if you're a fit. Or see if it's a fit. The program's a fit for you. They keep telling me XRP. I just can't really get behind it. You gotta enlighten me. Why is it the move? I recommend starting with all my free stuff on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube at Jdun Trades. I'm also live there. The Discord's a great resource. You can find all that in the YouTube. I live part-time in Denver. I have a place in Wyoming too, in Cheyenne, but I'm in Denver quite a bit. I'll have to catch a workout sometime when I'm up there, Jonathan. Go to that Gold's. Oh, you're also in Denver. That's a big plus. As a reminder, Team Bull, if you'd like to trade live at the office tomorrow, I got a few DMs. I'm going to go through. We got 6 spots, 6 internet-connected computers. Get you right. I still will be live on the socials too. I have everything set up at my office. I need to set up my YouTube differently though, because what's it called? My quality wasn't as good. How long am I staying live for? Most Fridays I will. I'll be at the office. I'll likely be there maybe for Power Hour today. We'll see. The dial up or high speed. They actually work pretty well. And they weren't cheap. They were like, what, Gene, $700 a piece? Yeah. Well, here's the thing, Mazzy. Here's the funny part. They're all in one. So a lot of people see a monitor and they think, oh, well, they don't have any internet. You have to connect a laptop or a computer. Well, they're all in ones. They're internet connected. That's all I was saying. You don't see all-in-ones that much anymore. Most computers have a monitor and a computer. All right, give me my shit. I was just trying to say that when you come to the office, you'll have your own computer that has internet. Your own monitor that has internet. I'm not taking any 1v1 people right now. I already have my palette full. No one-on-ones right now. I am way too busy being a dad and with my businesses and trading. It's just a lot of work. But I highly recommend, you know, it would mean the world to me for all of you guys. I'm trying to build my personal Instagram up. I love talking about discipline and business building, and it's helping people make more money on the side of trading. If each and every one of you guys after would go to your IG and type in Jdun and give it a follow. It'd mean the absolute world to me, and I promise you, you'll get value from it. So it's a symmetrical favor. You follow, I guarantee you'll get value from it. Just JDUN. How's my real name? Jacob Dunning on there. Yep, Jacob Internet Connected Dunning. Yep, that's my name. Don't wear it out. Y'all are ridiculous, bro. Y'all are ridiculous, man. Internet Connected Dunning. Hey, appreciate you. Hey, Gene, what brand do we have for our for our internet connected computers? Dell? AIM? Oh man, I am old school. I'm almost 30 years old. I used to always be on the AOL Instant Messenger. Let's see how we're looking from low to high of day. From, what was our high? 753? This could be the reversal. Could be. We're going to see. This could be the reversal. I'm on a mission to help all of y'all make some bank inside the stock market and outside of the stock market. That's what we're doing the Team Bull way. The Team Bull way, baby. I do have a YouTube. It's Jdun Trades. There's tons of free education on there as well. I mean, longs could be valid, guys. Like I said with that 5-minute reversal candle you saw here. Like I said with that 5-minute reversal candle you guys saw here, with that higher volume, right? With a volume spike, smaller candle anomaly here, we're getting a reversal up, break of structure. We could continue up. I'm always a little more hesitant with that, with the strong downtrend, but it's possible. It's possible. It is possible. I'm not certain. I don't love the second candle here higher, but could be. Could be. We also have big earnings tonight. I think tomorrow is going to be a really good day. I think tomorrow's going to be great. We have non-farm payrolls at 8:30 a.m. And then we have some big earnings tonight. So between those two, it should give us some really nice movement. And I'd love to keep moving on down for two reasons. It's nice to make money into the downside. And then two, it gets us away from all-time highs. So it gives us more room for the upside and downside. Sig Sauer. I have a Sig pistol. Maybe I should watch out for it. Whoops, I pew. Can't say that word on here. Can't say that word on here. I got a Sig pew. Got to be careful. Let's see how our higher time frames are looking. 15-minute chart. What have others seen higher volume? I am not in any trades right now. 30-minute chart, not showing a whole lot. Reversal candle with higher volume. Got that in the 5-minute in common. I will be honest, though, I fumbled my potentially biggest trade today. I fumbled my potentially biggest trade today. Would have been another 3-4K day had I held. But it wasn't. Yes, sir. We got one student confirmed for live trading in person tomorrow here in Colorado. I got a bunch more messages I got to go through. What? You want to pick them, Gene? It's going to be lit. I don't have any other accounts. Appreciate you, Jdun. $1,200 in the day. See you in the Discord tomorrow. See ya. Let's go. We have in-person live trading in Colorado tomorrow. Is going to be lit. We're going to be doing it more often, too. We'll be at the office, so you guys on TikTok, I'll be able to shift the camera or YouTube and be able to see everyone in real time. Learning and trading. Learning and trading with me. I'm not saying no shot at bounces. It could. I don't think that's that far-fetched at all. We're getting some strong reversal candles. What are we at in terms of, let's see this. Hoping the pullback is over. I don't. I hope we keep moving for multiple reasons. And we got VWAP way up here. Way up here. VWAP's all the way up at 23,670. Wow. Way up and away. Don't. I'm going to stick around. I'm going to leave here in... I don't know how long. Maybe 19 minutes. Probably leave. Go upstairs in 19 minutes or so. Around noon Eastern time. Noon Eastern time. That's me, Daniel, in here winning every day. Winners think about winning. Losers think about winners. That's all I got to say. I like to win. I like to focus on winning. If you're here too, you will as well. Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button, hitting that subscribe. And also, if you're trading on funded accounts, using code Jdun for the best possible discount. I will always do my best to help y'all win, level up, and learn. Profit on the day on my live account is $892.50. Just under $1,000. Should have been way more, but is what it is. Should have been way more. Nvidia's getting some rebound. As a reminder, guys, this is your morning reminder to choose discipline over dopamine, baby, every single day. Choose discipline over dopamine. Trade smart, trade safe. You have to be patient in your trading. You have to be disciplined. You have to be systematic. If you can't do those things consistently and have that patience, you will not make it. Everything is probabilities. Depends how many. It depends on the situation. Sometimes 20 to 30 micros, sometimes as little as 10, and sometimes up to 50. Should be 5 minis. Hey, up 4K on each 5 TPT accounts. That's 20K. Well, good thing you're in the right stream to learn how to not be greedy and how to be patient. You're in the right stream. I've been trading a lot of futures. They move the same as the indices, SPY and QQQ. Yeah, appreciate y'all being here and hitting that follow button. Everyone, if you're new, welcome to the community. Welcome to your familia, baby. Discipline over dopamine. We're moving back up now. So it's like it wants to maybe move back up. Wants to slowly trend back up. Yeah, welcome to the channel, Daniel. Come here every single day, and I think you'll see how we rock. Appreciate you being here, bro. Yeah, sports betting is a tough game to win long term. It's really tough. Up or down, I'd be willing to, well, you guys would be like, oh, he said up and it went down. Right now, with how this is looking, we're breaking downward structure to the upside, so I wouldn't mind seeing a move to like 6 to this 15-minute low. The trend for the day is still down. So when you look at this from a trend perspective, right, we have lower high, and then potential swing low, lower high, high of day, lower high, and then potential swing low. So we'll see if we can curl back up like this. And if we do, we likely make that move back to that 15-minute low. It'll just depend if we can get that and move our way back up to that 611, 615 area. This is the time to be patient, these hours of the day. That is correct. That is correct. Da-da-da-dong, da-da-da-dong. Does not look too good. We'll see. Might just be slow for the rest of the day. We have big earnings tonight, and we have NFP. Non-farm payrolls, jobs report, employment report. Employment report is tomorrow, NFP. Yeah, Savage, I hope your lungs can rip. Lamborghini owner, we checked your NOR on the registry. What does that even mean? Notice of registration. Yes, I own 2 Lamborghinis as a matter of fact. Both paid in cash. If we're flexing on each other. If we're flexing on each other, which I don't mind a little competitive flex, you know? You work hard for it, I'm down. I wish I could take this camera with me. I do still have the Urus. I need a GoPro that I can connect to my computer and carry around with me. I don't think it'll let me go live on my phone and on my computer at the same time. That would be cool, though. That would be dope, wouldn't it be? That would be dope. That thing you did for the kid at the lemonade stand was cool. Damn, I can't go live on both. You know what my favorite car is, though? What's my favorite car, chat? Of all the cars I own, what is the GOAT? What's our favorite car here? The humble Honda, baby. That's right. You already know. The humble Honda. You already know, baby. The funny thing is, I never intended for that to be marketing. We drive that thing, what, Gene? Probably 4 days out of the week? Like at least half the week. I drive my truck the other days. I barely fit in my Honda, but guess what? At 6'7", I'd be rocking that thing. And if you don't think I fit in the Honda, you should really see me try to sit in the Huracan, bro. It's bad. Wrapped in. It's a Raptor R. He's so sharp. Ford Raptor R. 2024. TRX, you're talking beef now. You're talking big beef. I also sell lemonade. Can I have $800? Yeah, come through. Come through, baby. Let's do it. I mean, honestly, Raptor R is a little overboard. You don't need it, right? It's cool. It's fun when you want to rip, and you get, the funny thing is I rip, but I also get literally 4 miles a gallon when I'm in R mode. Literally worse than the Lambo. Thing about owning cars too, and I like to explain whenever I talk about the Lambos or cars, is the days where you just post your car and you're like, hey, buy my course, are over. Right? It's more about motivation to me. We got another 84 million guy. The guy that makes 84 million on TikTok. Yep, that's me. 84 million in profit. Definitely not one of the 1,000 fake accounts that has 84 million in profit in their bio. That shit is literally hilarious. I'm like, if you believe that, I got some Kool-Aid for you. 84 million. Yeah, guys, I'm the day trader who's made 84 million. Yep, that's me, guys. Hit me up. You're right. Totally. Yeah, with my 84 million, I'll give you a couple too. Yeah. Totally, that's super real. Definitely not a fake account on social media. Definitely not. Yes, 84 million. Because I'm here live trading on YouTube after making $84 million trading. Yeah, that makes a ton of sense. If you can deposit me 84 million, I'll give I'll give each of y'all on the stream 50K. Yeah. Everyone can have some of the monopoly money. You can totally learn watching me every day. Totally. That's funny. I don't mind it. Beware, guys. Jdun said he made 84 million. A fake account on, I think it was LinkedIn. It's like, I don't even have a LinkedIn. It's hilarious. But I guess the people will believe it. Maybe I should just start saying that. Probably grow my personal brand a lot. Hey, guys, I'm the $80 million trader. Hit me up. I've been trading for 9 years, so I didn't really make any real money until 3-4 years in. Just 2x my money for 10 days in a row. Yeah, there we go. Easy money. I've literally never had a LinkedIn ever. Well, maybe I did back like when I was in college. Maybe in college I did. College feels like a whole lifetime ago, though. It's crazy. What's the update on Hawaii? I haven't really looked at social media. Anyone seen any updates on Hawaii? Did that tsunami ever hit? Did it pass?
It wasn't bad, but it
No.
hit Ecuador bad.
It hit, but it didn't really do anything.
It hit Ecuador bad.
Good. Well, I mean, not Ecuador. But I'm glad it didn't do anything negative to Hawaii. There's nothing that's good. Going to Hawaii in about 2 months. In 2 months, I'll be in Hawaii. Ooh! My house is flooded. I'm using a coconut as a Wi-Fi router. Colorado's beautiful in the fall. It's my favorite. You got to go out and see the aspen trees in the mountains. It's amazing. It's honestly beautiful.
Have you been to the $1 Million Highway Drive?
I have not. Where's it at?
About 2 hours away. I don't know exactly what city, but
I've been on a lot of drives. I've never been out to Ouray or Telluride or any of those places.
Steamboat,
Never been to Steamboat.
Grand Junction.
I have been to Grand Junction. I had an ex-girlfriend there. Her parents lived there. We went out to near Moab.
It's odd.
Did ATVs and stuff. Quandary's nice. Been to Aspen too. I'm a big that's what I do in my spare time. I love climbing 14ers and big hikes. I'm a crazy hiker. I've done 16 14ers so far. Done 16 14ers so far. I plan on doing at least 2 more this summer. I haven't had as much time as I'd like. Yeah, 14er there you can't it's like trading. You can't put easy and 14er in the same sentence. You just can't. I have not done Capital Peak. That has the knife edge on it. That one, that's a tough one. That's category 4. I think it's Cat 4. I have not done Mount Wilson. Nope. The hardest one I've done is Mount of the Holy Cross. That one's tough. That one is really tough. That'll challenge you in every way possible. That will challenge you in every way possible. You've done Capital Peak. Did you have a guide? You almost have to, bro. For all the scrambling. Oh yeah, going sea level to Colorado to do 14er is tough. Yeah, that's good you had a guide. This still looks like it wants to push higher. We made this potential, not for sure, but it's not clear enough that I'd take it, but this potential curl here, had the swing low here, if you can see on screen share. And, you know, maybe we go test up now, break above this high at 585 up to this 620 area. That's where I look at next. If you're in the longs. If you're looking for those longs, that's what I would look at. Now, I wish I could put TradingView up on TikTok, but they flag it. It's something about the copyright. I can't do it. So I have to have my TOS. If you prefer TradingView, you can always go over to the YouTube or join Team Bull, the Discord. It's on my Zoom every day. I'm live on the YouTube as well at Jdun Trades. I recommend regardless, whether you like the lives here or there, you guys should all be subscribed. I have a ton of free education. Lots of very good strategy videos that are to the point, very easy to understand. And I'm sure a lot of y'all say, who in the chat has watched my orb videos or my strategy videos on YouTube? Have they helped you? Have you become more confident with it? Absolutely. Awesome. Yep, just JDUN Trades. Do yourself a favor and go subscribe after this live. Looks like we're going to curl up now. We got this. Hopefully I can draw on this. This swing low here. We got the curl up here, and now it looks like we want to break through this. I would have liked to have seen higher volume here, then move up. I do have a Discord. If you'd like access, you can DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. Can you give us some stories of when before you were balling off day trading? Oh man, I got so many stories. Back before I was a day trader, so this is a good one. This is my mugshot back from 2018. 2018. And my charge on that mugshot was possession of over 50 pounds of some horse grass. Call it that. Some grass. And at the time, I had 3 houses that I was allegedly had grass in. And anywho, I had one of them in Denver that ended up getting raided. And it was a 12 light setup in the basement. was cranking, about to harvest, chopped all of it down, weighed it wet, ended up being, it weighed out to be like 90 lbs of grass. And obviously when it's wet, it loses a lot of weight as it dries and cures. The funny thing is, I've never talked about it. I could talk to you guys for hours about botany and horticulture. I did that for a long time. I'm from Nebraska, so you can put 2 and 2 together. Tony knows it. That's what part of why I moved to Colorado. But, I did horticulture and botany for a long time before trading. And I knew I didn't want to be in that life. I didn't want to be in that life forever. So found day trading in my spare time, built it up, and that's where we are now. Anywho, house got clapped. Other 2 didn't. And I got this beautiful mugshot. I actually had the same lawyer as Kobe Bryant did. Harvey Steinberg had the same lawyer, ended up doing 2 years of probation for it because it was Colorado and they don't really care that much about the grass here. And so that was crazy. My guy who was living there at the time called me because I didn't live there. He's like, bro, there's a SWAT team here. I'm like, all right, I'll be over. You want to hear something crazy? So the mugshot wasn't even from that day. So get this. So I went to the house. They took all the grass, and in Colorado, like, again, you got to realize that it was legalized since 2012, but you couldn't have a lot. So they took it all that day. I was like, well, are y'all going to arrest me? And they're like, we'll let you know. So I immediately lawyer up, and I'm like, well, they came in, SWAT came, and they didn't do anything. So my lawyer's calling in, nothing happens. A month later, lawyer calls in, nothing happens. Because I think it's a 2-year statute of limitations limit. They can charge you at any point, right? They have the evidence, they can charge you. Anyway, 6 months goes by and I don't hear anything, dude. My lawyer's calling every month and he's like, well, they might have just taken your stuff and wanted to shut it down and be done with it. So I'm like, okay. And I'm driving back from the mountains one day with my friend Mark. We went skiing that day. And so I was muted. So I'm driving back from the mountains with my friend Mark and I get pulled over for speeding. It's going 10 over or something. And cop pulls me over and he's like, all right, license, registration. I said, okay. Goes back to his car and I'm waiting. Second cop car pulls up. Third cop car pulls up. Bro, 9 cop cars pull up. So I tap Mark and I'm like, bro, something's wrong, dog. There's like 9 cops behind us. I don't know what's going on. Next thing you know, they got their guns drawn. They're like, Mr. Dunning, get out of the car. I'm like, whoa. Like, y'all got to chill. Y'all got the wrong guy. Like, no, we don't. We called into Denver. You have a warrant for your arrest. And I'm like, okay, this is clearly a mistake. I don't got no warrants. I don't do nothing wrong. And so I got in the cop car and they told me I had a warrant for dangerous drugs. And I was like, well, I don't do drugs. I haven't done drugs since I was like 18. Like, I haven't done drugs in a long time. So anywho, yeah, we went to the the jail out in Georgetown, Colorado, which was a federal holding facility, might I add, which a bunch of people on their way to federal prison. I spend a week in there waiting to get transferred to Denver. Come back, finally get transferred to Denver a week later. Then get out on bail. Lawyer cleans it up. And all was well. So that was a fun time. Another 84 million from trading person. Yep. Yeah, that was long 2018. 7 years ago. If you believe I made 84 million from trading, then I don't know what to tell you, bro. Yeah, that was back in trading over grass seller. Totally. It's a whole different life now. Whole different life now. Dude, that's clearly a fake account, Wavy. That's the hilarious part. Like, yeah, bro, a LinkedIn account that says 84 million in profits. It was comical. Like, why even, it's free press. Why even respond? I seen a few people post it and I was like, yeah, totally real. But if people will believe it, shit, I guess I made 84. Just call it an even 100 million at that point. Say I made 100 mil trading. Isn't that crazy? 2018 was 7 years ago. You started high school. Hey, appreciate you being here, Maris. See you next time. Thank you all for being here on the YouTube as well. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. 100 mil should be done by lunch. Had the wrong guy. Oh, no. They had the right guy. They had a grass warrant under, I guess I didn't finish that part. Under dangerous drugs. It was a warrant for that house raid. Yeah, the warrant was for that grass. They never told me about it. No, I haven't made 84. There was a screenshot of this fake account of me that said 84 million in profits, and it got traction. And I just didn't even feel the need to respond. It was just hilarious. Like, how could you actually believe that? Hilarious. No more trapping. Is a Lambo sustainable? What is your monthly maintenance? Maintenance is a lot. I mean, I've had honestly really good luck with my cars, but some people don't. I also don't drive crazy. I don't drive. I drive like a grandpa now that I have a kid. Now, if you get a McLaren, you might be in the shop quite a bit. I'm the biggest McLaren hater. The biggest McLaren hater for sure. I'm not a fan. They just always have check engine lights. You have to drive those cars like every day to make it worthwhile. Not worth it. I think they look cool, and people say they're fun to drive. The 765s are fun to drive, sure, but is it worth being in the shop all the time? I don't think so. Just my 2 cents. I've had some friends McLaren set on fire. This looks like it wants to keep going higher. We'll see. Maybe when we retest this 620 area, we'll have some sellers kick in. I don't like how SVJs drive. I love how they look. I don't like how they drive. They're very clunky with the single clutch. They drive very clunky. Show the P&L and stop. There, 892 for the day. You can see it. Are you happy now? Constantly.
Show you make money.
I didn't make that much money today, but made something. I should have made way more. Should have made way more, but didn't. We're curling here now. We'll see if we can make our way back up to this previous support turn resistance. The lady's making the lunch right now. Shout out to the lady. Life like this. Like this. Oh. Hopefully I got some big payouts coming in soon too. If you include fundeds and my personal over 50. Of course, fundeds you don't get paid until you actually get paid out, so I don't like to count those. I don't even really post those. I've been having some nice base hits though. You look handsome. Have you thought of acting? No. So again, tomorrow, for NFP, if you're looking to get a funded account with 1 day pass, good way to do it is to have, sounds terrible. If you're looking to get a funded account on 1 day pass, about a minute before, you set a limit order for 10 buys. Say if you're on a 100K account. It's all about math. So say you have a 100K account, you need $6,000 to pass. So you'd put a buy order for a limit for 10 contracts, 10 points above, and a sell order 10 points below. So as soon as we nuke in that direction, you get filled on the way up or you get filled on the way down. Then if you want to do it on multiple accounts or copy trade, you just have them all linked, set the orders, and then you sell as you push up or you cover on the way down. It's on an eval, not on a funded. Not on a funded. Don't do it on your funded, just evals. If you're looking to pass in one move. That way it's not hedging. They can't get you for hedging. It's just setting your bracket orders. It's only one fills. There's always the risk where you get that fake move and then rip, but ideally, you just get the straight shot up. Bro's trying to get me to say Figma. Figma trading on your screen. Figma launched right after Ligma launched. They launched at the same time. As soon as lunch is ready, I'm dipping out. Lunch is not ready yet. Oh, I have a 2012 Honda Accord YSO. I'm honestly not. I'm not kidding though. I am for lunch. I'm having ground beef, avocado, and fruit for my first meal. I guess it's technically breakfast, but I don't eat breakfast. I eat around this time, 10. Adios, Justin. Now I'm all for full porting evals on NFP and data. I mean, I just think it's kind of a waste of time to sit there and blow through eval scalping over and over when you could do the same thing with data, get them passed, and then really focus in on your fundeds. Yep, you don't have the time for it. Let's see how our higher time frames are looking. 15-minute, it's looking good. Volume's going down a bit. You don't like to see that, but if we can break and hold above these levels. I can't tell you. Someone asked, tell us about a time you struggled with trading and you wanted to quit. So many times. So many times where I'd go on a losing streak or I just couldn't find my confidence, or there was a lot of times where it felt like my strategy just didn't work anymore. And to this day, what's really helped me with that was embracing and focusing on being an adaptable trader and managing my risks. I know if I manage my risk correctly, I can lose a lot of trades in a row and still be okay. But when you lose 1, 2, 3 trades in a row, you can't be blowing yourself up on everyone. You have to be able to manage your risk and keep yourself alive. Live to trade another day. That's the key. I have made some trades today. I fumbled the bag on one. I fumbled the bag. Yep, you don't want to be strategy hopping. I didn't mean that. I just meant you have to adapt to some things. Sometimes, like for example, market structure changes. If we're in a bear market or a downtrending market, you have to adapt. If we're in a bull market, you have to adapt. You just have to. Otherwise, you're going to get cooked. The same market we had in 2024 is not the same market as today. It's just different. That's just what it is. Yesterday's price is not today's price. That is correct. That is correct. As a reminder, guys, I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure y'all hit that follow button, subscribe. Join me every morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Make it a part of your daily routine to come and trade live with your boy. If you guys are trading on prop firms, FFF, Apex, or Tradeify and looking to get funded for less with your futures trading, make sure you guys use code Jdun. It's our code. Resembles discipline over dopamine, gets you payout protection, and I will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges. Always. Also, as a reminder, I appreciate y'all tapping into my personal IG at Jdun. I post a lot of business content, discipline content, and daily life content. I know you'll get value from it. So make sure y'all tap in and go follow my personal IG at Jdun after this live. You can DM me there as well. You can trade anything you learn how to trade. I will be live on YouTube tomorrow at the headquarters. Sure will. I sure will. That's what's taking so long. The ground beef isn't thawed. How do you get access to the Discord? Buddy, DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. It's the best place to message me about anything. It's the only place that I respond to DMs. basic strat. You can put us on before we leave. Go check out my full strategy on my YouTube. Did I work a 9 to 5, bro? You know, let's be new here. I worked a lot of 9 to 5 jobs. Well, kind of. I worked construction. I worked sheet metal HVAC. That sucked. I worked as a delivery driver for multiple years at Jimmy John's. That was actually pretty fun. I enjoyed that job. I worked as a server for Texas Roadhouse. That was cool. What else did I do? I was a dishwasher at a country club. That was actually pretty fun too. I was young and there was lots of pretty college chicks. Let's just say that. That was cool as a young cat. I worked a lot of normal jobs. I didn't follow you from 10 accounts. They're all fake. But hey, at least when you follow my real account here, you gain some followers in your personal account, right? Buy one, get one. Still moving up. On lower volume, but we're still moving up. I trade BPA, volume price analysis. I'm ready for some Friday live trading. I don't know about y'all. I'm ready for some Friday live trading. Some Friday live trading with some students at the Team Bull HQ. I got to send some DMs back. Don't. I will be live tomorrow. I sure will. I sure will, partner. I will be live tomorrow. Another TJ unfollow. Sometimes they'll type in the chat too. Let's see if we got any in the chat right now. I'm looking through. We got none in the top 100. None in the top 100. Damn, Jduns, come watch me. I want to help the fake Jduns win too. Here till we get 10K Jduns. 10,000 of them. Unite. Love you too, bro. The ground beef isn't done, so I'm not leaving yet. Ground beef is not done, so I ain't leaving yet. I ain't leaving if the ground beef ain't done. Might as well keep streaming. If you guys have any questions, I'm happy to answer them in the meantime before we wrap up. Yeah, Charlie, I'm not sure about that, bro. I thought it was hilarious. It just goes to show people will believe anything they see. I was making fun of it earlier. Like, yeah, a profile of mine on LinkedIn that says $85 million in profit. That's totally real. Definitely not one of the millions of fakes. Definitely not that. That says location the moon. Location the moon, 84 million in profits. That looks very real and legit. Totally. Yeah, one Jdun hit 84 million, probably in crypto. Not this one though. Hey, nice job, Charlie. First payout approved in Top Step. That's what I'm talking about. We've been having more and more people in our live streams get payouts approved. That's awesome. I wish I had a Top Step code, but they don't have affiliates. I'm starting a combine from scratch watching you. Let's help I pass. I'll do everything in my power to help you pass. I do every day. I don't always win, but I've been doing really well this year. How do you even get started on this? Well, it starts with learning candlesticks. Right now, the 3 props that oh, damn, we're moving up to 620. Let's see what happens here. Got NVIDIA moving across. Let's see. NVIDIA is moving. It's above its 50%. If NVIDIA gets some movement, if Microsoft can catch a bid and move back up, we'll see some explosion in the QQQ and the NASDAQ. When you have NASDAQ or when you have Microsoft, the big driver of yesterday's pump looking like this, it's really tough to move up. I mean, this is not a bullish setup whatsoever. This is no dice, no bueno. There we go. There's the Microsoft. And this looks terrible. You can't really do a whole lot with this. Tips for the 50K combine. Well, on combines, I'd like you to be a little more aggressive. On fundeds, that's a little different story. You got to be real careful. Always manage your risk. I appreciate you, Justin. I do my absolute best to help you guys.
He's not a real trader. He only makes money off subscriptions.
Oh, goodness. It's about the time the haters start popping in. You know, I do make money off subscriptions and education and real estate, but here's the thing. A lot of my stuff's free. And here's what I say too is if I was some horrible trader and my service sucked, would I make any money off my business? No, I wouldn't, because everyone would leave. But we've been in business for 5 years and people come and 90% of people stay for at least a year because they get value. If they didn't get value, they'd leave. They'd charge back. So I take a lot of pride in what we do. Bro, I learned from you and I'm profitable. F yeah. And guess what? I have free live streams every day. You don't gotta pay $1. You don't gotta pay $1 for anything. Not a real trader. He made 84 million. Ain't that right? Yeah, Bandit. Yeah, what he said. If we're going to go with 84, we might as well just bump it up to 100. Jdun, the 100 millionaire. 100 millionaire. I'm down at this point. Do you have the robot? No robots. Still moving up. Still moving up, Savage. Hope we get your move, bro. Let's see how our hourly is looking on NQ. You back in Colorado, Brad? Could have sworn you moved. Nice. You gotta let me know when you're back, bro. That's dope. Yeah, Florida. I love Florida. Florida's great. Florida's a great state. Love that place. Yeah, I was a part of, Danny and I both owned FFF. I haven't been in ownership for 5 months, though. He's doing a lot better now. Glad he's doing better. He also has not been a part of Team Bull for 5 months, but again, I hope he's doing great. You won't hear me wishing negative on anybody. Never. I hope everyone wins. Is Bitcoin driving us up? Doesn't really have any impact in the market. Has an impact on stocks like MSTR. That's moving. Whole array of reasons. Sure, you could put 2 and 2 together and figure it out. Feed the soul. Nate and Team Bull departed years ago, man. Hope he's doing well too. Hope he's doing great. Young kid, a lot of potential. Hope he's doing amazing. Hope he's killing it. Do you get recognized on the streets, bro, all the time? The ground said, how the hell is the ground beef still cooking? It was frozen. It was frozen. I get it all from a farm, so it comes rock solid frozen. She had to de-thaw it. And it's thick. It might be done. I haven't checked my phone. She hasn't texted me, though, so I don't think it's done. Said, how the heck is the grass still cooking? The hell is the ground beef still cooking? We got to make some Team Bull shirts available soon. We touched that 620. Let's go down to the lower time frame. We touched that. Oh, not the 3. 3 minutes useless. We touched it 617. Gotta close above that and build if we're gonna move up. All I can think about is grass. That's all I think about day in and day out. Ready? All right, I'm going to just get off the stream, honey. Thank you. Thank you, honey bunches of oats. All right, boys. Ladies and gentlemen. Appreciate you, T-Money. Appreciate you, bro. The food is ready. So I'm going to mob off. It's been a great morning. We're currently rejecting that 620. If we don't build above this, no longs for me. So appreciate y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you guys either for power hour or tomorrow morning. So I'll be trading live at the office with some students. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning, all right? God bless y'all. Don't do anything silly now. See you, everyone. Peace. Adios, Team Bold. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that follow button on TikTok. And as a reminder, I would love to chop it up with some of y'all on Instagram. So if you guys have any questions about trading, discipline, building a business, scaling your business, scaling your income, DM me on Instagram at Jdun, Jdun. It's my personal Instagram, Jdun. Give me a follow there. Come tap in and let's learn and level up together, baby. I'll see you guys on IG the rest of the day. I'm active there, posting stories and have a lot of good content. So see y'all. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Peace. Adios, everybody.